Hey guys, I just want to share with you something that came in the mail today. It was an eBay purchase. I've been looking at some French pump lock padlocks lately, and but this one has got a mechanism that I have really not seen before, so I just wanted to make a quick vid to share that with you. What I was expecting with this is something similar to this fichette pump lock padlock, where simply insert the key and it unlocks. Yeah, but there seems to be something a little bit special with this little baby here. So first of all, this is far more intricate than I expected. I got it with the two original keys, which I think I'm very fortunate to get. What I find is probably 6 pins, but of course the mechanism is so deep inside the lock I can't really make that out with a torch. So this is something I'd like to find out about. The key is marked as Vachette. I can't find anything that would tell me about a Pluton padlock that Vachette made. I'd like to know the significance of Brevet VF Paris. I've seen this before, but I don't know what it's referring to. So while this Vachette works quite normally, what I find with this Pluton, there's a keyway there, beautiful little keyway, very intricate profile on the key, but watch this. Now what I want you to do is watch here. Push the key. Now that swings round, it's spring loaded, and the shackle marries with a piece that comes out of the body. So, but I swing it into place, back into place, and it swings back in to the body and ejects the key. I've not seen that before. Do it again. Again, watch this side. That's not shimmable. Isn't that something? I'm so chuffed to bits with this, and I want to know more. I'm so happy I have this for my collection. Just swing it back and it ejects the key. So, if anybody can tell me more about this little guy, I'd be very, very happy. I'm very happy to add it to my pump lock padlock collection. I'm so happy that I got with two original keys. I did see the bitting on the key from the photo, but I didn't really see how intricate it is, or the profile. There was no photo of the keyway on the eBay, so I'm really chuffed to bits with this, and so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, you got any info? I'd love to hear from you. Take care, ciao.